Giovanni. Gia, what are you doing? What are you doing? Say hi. Say hi.
Minecraft.
Hi. Say hello.
Don't knock Minecraft.
Okay.
I am.
Eliana, come here. So, we went to church today. Look who's so pretty. You want to show everyone that you did your hair? No? She's not happy. But she had some beautiful curls in her hair. You're not going to talk? No? Okay. Not today? So serious today. Want me to tickle? I need a smile. I need... Oh, there it is! Oh my word! Okay, turn around. Let's show you hairstyle. Oh, you want to take this out? So I show everyone the hairstyle? Well, you turn around. So she had like really beautiful curls. They fell out. But she had like spiral curls, loose body, something curls. I washed her hair this morning. Washed her hair, blow dry, flat iron, then curl. And I usually curl her hair not very often. So yeah, I need to get it cut. I need to get it trimmed. I need to get some.
No, do not cut it.
I need to get some trim. Get some stuff off. And it looks like it's gonna rain, but it's not. And we're down here by my husband's parents, and I want to go to Hobby Lobby. Yeah, I'm addicted to Hobby Lobby, so I want to go to Hobby Lobby and get some stuff for my planner for tomorrow, because I have to plan out my week. So I want to do that. And Max, come here, Sibo. Oh, this is our dog. He's 10 years old. Say hi, Sibo. 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 Say hi. Sibo. Say hi. Say hi. Max. Say hi. No? No? He's getting old. Come in. Come here. Come here, Papa. Oh, he's getting so old. He can barely walk. Come here. Come here. Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Where's your ball, Siba? Where's your ball? Go see. Go see. Who is it? Go see. Who is it? Siba, where's your ball? Siba, where's your ball? Sibo, where's your ball? When he was much younger, when he say, where's your ball? He would run and go get his ball. Now he's getting older, so he's like, he don't want nothing to do with playing. He's getting so old. I'm gonna be sad, because he's getting a lot of, look how slow he walks. Oh, Chibo. Chibo, bless your heart, Papa. Oh, that's my baby. That's my baby. That's my baby, mama. Yeah, but I'll be back. So did you. What?
Nah. Wait, why didn't you go on the bed? You didn't go on the bed yet. Oh, a big granny.
I'm sitting here waiting for my husband to be done sleeping, but that's not gonna happen because he's trying to catch up with sleep. He's trying to catch up with sleep, and that's not gonna happen no time soon. He can chase sleep all he wants, but I had really nice curls. I don't know. They just kind of like fell out, and now I'm just like looking a hot mess. Yep, a hot mess. Big old hot mess. So, anyways, yeah, we went to church today, and at our church, usually what they do is let me see, wait. Yeah, usually what they do is when they have guests and stuff, they'll have they'll have food for the guests and stuff, and sometimes for the members and whatnot. And I've noticed that a lot of the, well, let me not say a lot, a couple folks usually are really mean. So today I go with my enough self. I see tables set and everything, so I go with my enough self, went over there, and I saw they had lettuce, you know, salad set out, and they had it set at the different tables that they were entertaining. So I saw the leftover sitting on the table by itself, and I go over there and help myself because I was leaving. I wasn't gonna stay. And I don't know where this lady started yelling at me. No, don't touch that. Don't touch that. That's for the guests. Don't touch that. And I was like, shame. I was so embarrassed. That lady embarrassed the crap. And it's not like it was just me and her in the room. It was a whole bunch of people there. So I'm like, you're gonna embarrass me over food? Like, you could have came over and said to me, you know, excuse me, you know, we only have this much amount for our guests, and, you know, just come over and say to me. It wouldn't have been a big deal. I wouldn't have created a scene or anything. I would have just kindly walked out and go about my business. But I saw it there and I thought it was for everyone, but apparently it wasn't. So I'm just saying that people can be so embarrassing, you know, and that was embarrassing for me because growing up I was always I grew up poor. I grew up in Seventh-day Adventist, and unfortunately I grew up and we grew up hungry, and we were members of a church and we were hungry, but yet still they were saving other people. But the ones that are among you are starving spiritually, mentally, physically. They're starving. And if we don't recognize that the same people that you're catering to that are guests one day will become members. So is it that guests are more important than your members? Or is it that your members are so important to you that you treat them just as the same that you treat your guests? Because if a guest see you treat your members that way, they're not going to want to be a part of them. Nothing like that. They want to always stay a guest so that they can get the best treatment. I'm just saying, we need to be more considerate of what we say to people, because you never know what they might be going through. That could have been my only meal for the day. You don't know. Because I look good and I dress the part doesn't mean that I'm not starving. Doesn't mean that I don't need the same thing as, you know, your guest. Come on now. Seriously. And then we go to church and we pretend to be so holy, but yet still we're so mean to our brothers and our sisters. And that's something I can't be a part of. I can't. And when I speak out, you know, people say, you know, that's not how you do it and this not done. But come on. Come on. If I don't say something, nothing's going to get done. You know, so something has to change within our churches. You know, something has to change within our churches, and we have to realize that we are our brother's keepers, you know, and if we don't look out for each other, who's going to do it? You know, who's going to do it? And us as Seventh-day Adventists, we need to wake up. We need to wake up, because if you realize, we're living in the last day. And if we're going to be walking around as dead people and not care about our brothers and our sisters, then we need to stop it. We need to just pack up and go and stop with the pretending, because I can't do the pretend. I've been in Seventh-day Adventist for way too long. I was born and raised. If I wasn't deep rooted in my faith and who I believed in, I would have been long gone. I'd be like, don't want nothing to do with that. But I know who I believe in, and I know the truth, you know. So you just have to stand firm and recognize that, you know, God is God. In the beginning, God. In the end, God. You know what I mean? So, anyways, I'm going to go see if I can head over to Hobby Lobby later. But for right now, I just was bothered by that little incident, so I had to vent. And this is my channel, so if you want to watch it. If you don't, too bad. But hey, I'm up.